Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Copacetic Monthly for the month of July. If you are new to Copacetic Monthly, you're not quite sure what it is, I'm going to link my very first Copacetic Monthly video for you where I go over all of the details, everything you need to know about the subscription as well as Copacetic Cosmetics as a brand. I will link that video in the description box below for you so you can check it out. The one that I will be sharing with you today is called the Copacetic Cutie. It is $10 a month and within that you receive a nail polish, a lip product, an eye product, and a mystery product. Each month the box features a different theme. The theme this month was the Froggy Box, and it is actually a collaboration with Basket Case Beauty over on Instagram. I discovered Kay's page through Copacetic Cosmetics actually, and I am in love with the color stories they create. Kay's page is one I like to turn to when I'm needing creative inspiration. Kay definitely is much bolder and more colorful with their looks, but the colors they often use are grungy and earthy. Oftentimes their color stories I feel like I'd see out in nature. They're just so beautiful and so inspiring to me. I definitely recommend checking out Basket Case Beauty on Instagram if you're needing some color inspiration for your makeup looks. I will link it in the description box below for you. So as I said, this month's theme is the Froggy Box, and all of the products that Kay came up with for this month's box were just so on theme and so cute and so perfect. You could definitely tell a lot of thought into everything. Everything is available to purchase on the Copacetic website. However, with the Cutie Box, as I said, you only receive one lip product, one single eyeshadow, one nail polish, so I only got a few products within the collection, but I can't wait to share them with you. First up, I have a mini nail polish. This is the shade Lily Pad, and it is a multi-chrome glitter balm, and it sure is. I have not yet used this one on my nails, but I do want to say the polish that I received last month of the fiery orange-red color, I had that on my nails for about a week before I started to notice very obvious chipping. I do use a top coat with all of my nail polishes, but I just wanted to mention that because I'm very impressed with the polish formula. I think I said in the last video that I'm very hesitant to try nail polishes from indie brands because I've just been burned a couple of times. Either the pigmentation isn't there or it chips within a day or two, and so I just wanted to tell you, I'm very pleasantly surprised. Very pleased with their nail polish formula. I actually purchased another nail polish in their anniversary sale here last month and I cannot wait to use it. They have so many fun colors and glitters to choose from, so I recommend checking them out if you are a nail polish lover like me. Next, I have a mini lip gloss. This is the shade Toadstool. It is a red-based flavored lip gloss with white micro glitter to resemble a toadstool. It also has an orange creamsicle marshmallow flavor. Again, if you watch my previous Copacetic Monthly unboxings, you'll know that I am obsessed with their scented products. They kill it with the scent. They're always so good. This one, I was gonna wear it today, but with the bold eye and the cool tonedness going on, I thought it would maybe clash a little bit, but I have worn it. Yes, the scent is fantastic. I'll put a little bit on here.
Oh my gosh.
It's just like the scent just perfectly wafts up your nose just at the right time. It's so orange creamsicle, so very summer to me. And their gloss formula is very comfortable in my opinion. It's not super sticky. Love it. I feel like I just took this look to a whole new level that I wasn't quite intending, but I wanted to share to demonstrate the color for you. Next, I have a single press eyeshadow. This is the shade It's Wednesday, My Dudes. It is a brown base with a turquoise purple shifting aurora. I have a hard time saying that word. I did use this shadow in my look today. I dusted it on the outer corner of my eye along my wing. I was quite intimidated with the shade, which is why I got it, because blues and turquoise and purples are definitely not the colors that I reach for first when I want to play with color, but I am very impressed, very pleasantly surprised with this shade because yes, it's very dark, it's very bold. However, in creating my look today, I found that if I wanted to have just a little bit of a shift, a little bit of glitter, I could pat it on my eyelid and it would deliver just that. Or if I wanted to kick it up a notch, I could build it up and have more opacity. I love that about this shade. That is so cool to me because a lot of times when I've gotten duochromes, the duochrome and the shift isn't there unless you build it up. And so I love it. When it's built up, the shift and the sparkle really truly blows my mind. I mean, I can certainly see the purple. I can definitely see the turquoise. I can see the red base. It's stunning. This is so fun. I had a lot of fun creating the look today. Definitely went for something a little bit more bolder than I normally go for, but just again, I am wowed. And lastly, the mystery item I received. I think this is the item I am most excited about. So I have gotten 3 Copacetic Cuties thus far, and my mystery products have been body care items. I believe my first month was a lotion, and last month was a sprayable lotion, which I love and I'm almost out of. But this month I received a highlighter, and it totally caught me off guard, and I'm obsessed with it. I think I audibly gasped when I opened my bag because I wasn't expecting another makeup product, and especially this specific makeup product. So in following Basket Case Beauty, they have a lot of swatch photos throughout their Instagram feed, and they have a highlights reel with tons and tons of swatches from various indie brands. And one product they've turned me on to is the Pumpkin Guts highlighter from Copacetic Cosmetics. I almost bought it in the anniversary sale, and I don't know, just the responsible side of me took over and said that
I didn't need another highlighter.
So I didn't end up purchasing it. But this mini highlighter that I received in my Copacetic Cutie this month is very, very reminiscent to the Pumpkin Guts highlighter, at least according to the photos online. So this is the orange highlighter named Froggy Friend. I'll try to swatch it here for you, but also insert close up. It's so cool. I don't have anything quite like this. It has almost like an orangey, I almost want to say like a very, very subtle pink red shift to it in the light. It's so cool. It's so pretty for summer. It is quite glittery and shifty in the light, but I love that. And I did message Kate and I asked how this one compared to the Pumpkin Guts, and it's on my wish list, but now being that I have this one, do I really need both? I mean, I probably do. Froggy Friend is a bit more glittery, a bit more metallic, a little bit more vibrant than the Pumpkin Guts. So, you can see the conundrum I'm in here, because now I want both. I love this. This is so pretty. Because it is so metallic, I could build it up or use an eyeshadow base or like my Inglot mixing medium to really make the metallicness pop and use it on my eyes or in my inner corner. I think this is just such a versatile product for your face, for your eyes, maybe even dab a little bit on your lips after you put on some gloss. Oh, it's so cool and so unique. And that completes this month's Copacetic Cutie box. As I have said over and over again in this video and previous videos, I love everything. Again, another shout out to Jennifer over at Magical Muses and Monthly Musings for turning me on to the subscription box. It was through her videos that I first heard about it and finally decided to take the leap, and I have not been disappointed yet. I love everything that I get, and I really truly love Copacetic Cosmetics. I follow their page and I love the people and I love their brand. And in reading their posts and looking at their stories and watching their lives, I definitely get the impression that they value their customers and they put everything, their heart and soul, in the products they make. I am obsessed with the brand. I think they're great. They are absolutely worth checking out if you haven't yet. If you're interested in the brand and their products, you want to dip your toes in, I highly recommend checking out the Copacetic Monthly. It's such a great value and you get such fun, cool products. I want to thank you so much for your time today. Thank you for watching. I hope that you hit the subscribe button so you can come back next time. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.